TVA Newsman Jim Shannon is on the scene live, bringing us up to date on the situation there. Afternoon, Jim.
There's not really too much more to report as we had from last night. Officials here have been going in and out of the damage area all morning long, looking for those who did not get out. The last reported 7 are still inside of the plant right now. Now, all morning, choppers have been going up in the air, circling the plant. What they're doing is they're keeping an eye, a bird's eye view, if you will, as the extraction teams go in, because there's still danger. There's still a fire that's been burning through the night and this morning. So they want to be real careful as they go into that. Now, what we're about to see is the first video, as we've seen, of the plant itself. As you can see, there is twisted metal and just virtually all kinds of debris from the blast area. Now, as we've been told, there were about 20 employees in the area at the time of the blast. Some of them have gotten out, and as we know, 7 or 8 of them have not gotten out, Randy. Also, there's a temporary morgue set up at the Union Hall, which is about a block behind our camera position here. The video tells the story, Randy, as you can see. It's quite a mess. Now, we understand from IMC officials that the families of those missing have been notified. And while they're optimistic, they're hoping to remove them, extract them from this horrible wreckage sometime this afternoon. And while they're optimistic, it's hard to be when you take a look at this destruction. Windows were blown out from all over the town, and the blast itself, this gives you a good scope of what it looked at. Now, Bill Patterson, the IMC operations manager, was with us just moments before airtime, Randy, and he gave us an update as to the situation.
The situation now is through the day we have had some fires that were still burning through the night. The hazardous material people with the state of Louisiana State Police, ourselves and Angus have examined it as best we could before dark last night. But after it got too dark for the safety of the people going in, we asked that the hazardous materials people asked that they not do any further searching. We have secured the area, and at the present time, there is no danger of any further events going on.
Randy, we've just been told that the first of the extracted bodies will be coming down this road behind me in about 25 minutes, and they will be going to the temporary morgue for identification, and then they'll be moving on from there. As far as when the townspeople, some 1,200 of them, can return to Sterlington, that is still unclear as well. And while officials are saying that they have the situation at hand, there still is some danger, hopefully not of any of the toxic variety, which was originally thought when the plant exploded. Randy?
Thank you, Jim. I think you answered all of our questions that we had. Our TVA News crews